Press and hold the time set dimmer for 2 seconds to enter the time setting. The 12H-24H is flashing. Press plus or minus key to select 12H or 24H time format. Press the time set dimmer to confirm. Then the hour indicator is flashing. Press the time set dimmer to confirm. Then the minute indicator is flashing. Press plus or minus key to select hour minute. Press time set dimmer key to confirm and exit. Press and hold the alarm switch for 2 seconds to enter the alarm setting. Please press the plus or minus key to set the alarm time. Press the alarm switch to hour minute alarm sounds volume. Press the plus or minus keys to set the alarm sounds. The device includes a choice of 7 alarm sounds. Then press the alarm switch to confirm. And then the alarm volume is flashing. Press the plus or minus keys to set the alarm volume. Then press the alarm switch to confirm and exit. Press alarm switch to turn the alarm off or on. Ringtone icon appears in the area when the alarm is turned on. Press the snooze light to turn on the light. Press the snooze light to increase the brightness of the light. There are 2 levels of brightness. Press and hold the snooze light for 2 seconds to turn the light off. Press the natural sound switch to turn on the natural sounds. Press the plus or minus keys to increase or decrease the volume. Press and hold the plus or minus keys for 2 seconds to switch to the next previous natural sounds. Or press the natural sounds switch to the next natural sounds. Both methods can switch the sound. Press time set dimmer to adjust the display brightness. Press the sleep timer switch to turn on the sleep timer. Press the plus or minus keys to adjust the sleep timer. Adjustable between 5 and 480 minutes, 8 hours. Press and hold the sleep timer switch for 2 seconds to turn off the countdown. Please note, the sleep timer switch will be turned off when the alarm goes off or when you enter the alarm settings. Press and hold the alarm switch for 2 seconds to enter the alarm setting. Please press the plus or minus key to set the alarm time. Press the alarm switch to minute. Press the plus or minus keys to adjust the minute. Press the alarm switch to alarm sounds. Press the alarm switch again to switch to volume. Once set, press alarm switch to confirm. For example, set the alarm time to AM 10:19. Press and hold the snooze light for 3 seconds to turn off the alarm. Press the snooze light to enter snooze default 9 minutes. You can also press alarm switch to turn off the alarm.